So today I'm going to be unboxing my February Glossybox, and I just finished ripping off the exterior box for this box, and guess what it looks like on the outside. It says it's all about love. The heart is like a reflective pink, and look how cute this is. Glossybox legit sends such cute boxes, like when they're themed and everything. Glossybox is on that. So Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box that'll run you $21. In it you get 4 to 5 samples and full-size products. Like sometimes they'll send you full size, sometimes they'll send you just travel size, but Glossybox has never sent me any like itty bitty samples that you get in like Birchbox or Ipsy. They like send me like decent size samples. You'll get skincare, you'll get beauty, you'll get hair care and everything. So with all of that said, let's open this bad boy up. Oh my god, that is so cute. I'm like screaming right now. Okay, wait, there is a note in here. It says, "Oh, hey there, Glossies. As our loyal beauties, you are always our top priority, and this month is no different. We wanted to update you on an unexpected change in our February box of goodies. Due to an unforeseen supplier delay, you'll find a duo palette from Monarch Cosmetics collection in your box instead of the Bloom volumizing mascara." I honestly have no idea what I'm supposed to receive in this box, so they probably had this card printed and had that volumizing mascara in here, but I think that was really nice that they included this little card to let everybody know. But the ribbon, okay, Glossybox always feels like a gift because of how like well they package it. Like they have this little ribbon. They didn't have to go that hard, but Glossybox goes that hard for us because they love us. Okay, so we're just gonna untie this cute little heart-shaped bow. We're gonna put aside the little pamphlet. We got pink tissue paper. So let's go ahead and see what we've got in here. Recently, I've been really loving a Glossybox, like heck freaking yeah. So here's what we got. Okay, so we have, ooh, what is this? Oh my god, I need these. So these are Mighty Patch Invisible Pimple masks from Hero Cosmetics. You put them on, it's supposed to like help reduce the swelling and the size of your pimple, which girl, I need. Okay, so I received 2 of these. Remove it after it turns white, minimum 6 hours. So you can put these on overnight if you're having like skin problems. Put this on overnight and it should help reduce the size and the inflammation of your pimple. So that's really cool. Never received any of these in one of my like Glossybox or Boxycharm boxes, so I'm pumped about that. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Skin Chemists London Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. Ooh, it's a lip plumper. It says your treatment has peppermint oil in it. Ooh, this is cute. Oh my god, it's soft pink. Guys, we're gonna put it on. We're gonna put this on. It smells like peppermint. Ooh, okay. Let's see if I have like super plump lips at the end of this unboxing. Oh, I already feel that going to town. Okay, peppermint oil. Do your thing, babe. My lip gloss is popping. It's minty. It's very minty. I will have nice smelling breath, but really it's actually my lips. Okay, so the next thing that I received, is this Freeman volumizing dry shampoo. Just received this like maybe October, maybe November in my Glossybox. Not super happy with it because I hate when subscription boxes send out the same exact product or a very similar version of the product from like the same brand or something, and their boxes so close together. At least give me a couple months to like use up the product that you just sent me, or give me a couple months to forget that I received it. Not a huge lover of dry shampoo, however, I love, it's kind of powdery, but I love the scent of this dry shampoo. It has like this citrus scent, and I'm always looking to have like a citrus scented perfume. So not happy that I received this, but I do like this product, so I'm not mad. The next product that I am pulling out is very heavy. What is this? Arizona, is this a perfume? Oh my god, why is my voice so screechy? I don't even know. So sorry. It's like I'm going through puberty. This is the Arizona, and then some words. Oh my gosh, I just got this. I got a sample of this in my Birchbox like 4 months ago. I think this is a full-sized version of this perfume. Like, oh my god, but wait, how can we just talk for a second about, like, I have not, this, I just got Glossybox in the mail, just got this in the mail 10 minutes ago, so this is the first time that I'm pulling it out. I don't understand, why do companies do this? Why do they not? If you're gonna commit and make a bottle this big, can you please just fill it that big? But I really like the perfume sample. I've never received a full-size perfume, like, ever. This is the first time. I am so happy about this. Okay. Ooh. Wait, it smells musky, which I really like, and I really like I can breathe around this because it's not super powdery and it's not floral. I'm not mad at Glossybox anymore. I'm so happy about this, like so happy. The next product that I'm pulling out is this Douche Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in Spur. I actually really like these. I just received this same product but a different shade in my January Allure beauty box, so I actually know that I really like this lip crayon, but this is in a different shade, so let's see. Gorgeous. Oh my god, yes. This reminds me almost of, like, I wear like this shade of lipstick almost every day, even though I know I'm not right now. Also, do my lips look any plumper? Do they look like they feel like minty fresh, like I just finished brushing my teeth, but they don't feel like burning, that burning sensation that I get when I use like any other lip plumper. So I don't know, I like how shiny it is, and I love like the scent and taste of it, but love the color of this crayon. Like, it's so gorgeous. This is definitely like the shade that I lean more towards every day for my winter makeup, and I really love lip crayons. They're just so easy to use, and I don't even use lip liner with them. And then the last product that I received is this Monarch Beauty eyeshadow palette is what Glossybox referred to it as. It's a 3-in-1 contour shadow blush duo. Where's the if it's a duo, where does this number 3 come in? I would love to know. Here's what it looks like. We have like a matte brown. Maybe these are supposed to be highlight and contour. Let's just swatch the highlight real quick. Maybe it's supposed to be like, I mean, it's reflective, but I mean, oh, that is really buttery. They said eyeshadow, so I'll trust them with that, but I mean, it's nothing very impressive, but they also said that this wasn't really what they were planning to send out, that they actually were going to send out this Bloom volumizing mascara. So I'm not mad at Boxycharm about this. I'm really glad that they didn't jip us out because of this like shipping delay. So, well, I wonder when we'll be receiving that in any boxes. I wonder, I don't know. Not in love with this. This is actually the product that I'm the least excited about in this box, but everything else, yes, Glossybox. So that is everything that I received in my February Glossybox. I am so pumped about this box. I am so pumped about the full-size perfume and the lip crayon and the pimple patches. I'm happy, like, I like the scent of this. I'm just not happy that I received like the same exact product, same exact scent, like 3 or 4 months in between each other. But everything else in the box I'm really super happy with, and I don't know, I'm so happy with this box. Glossybox has really been impressing me lately, and I'm so glad that they had another amazing month. What did you guys think of my February Glossybox? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. What was your favorite product, and what was the product they were most disappointed with? I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.